Hi, awesome learner. Welcome to Create Your Portfolio with Flask Beginner tutorial series. In last video, we have created a beautiful website, and I hope you have edited every credentials with your credentials, like your name, your email address, your links, and your mail ID, all the things. Okay. In this part, we are going to explore template inheritance. Okay. What is template inheritance? Look at this. This page is having a menu, that is the navbar, the left side part. This part is going to same for every pages, like experience page we have this navbar, for education page we have this navbar, for skills we have this navbar, for interest we have this navbar. Think of it. The codes which are required to design this navbar should be overwrite. We are going to write this code repeatedly, aren't we? No, this is the concept template inheritance. Okay, this navbar, the codes which will be used to design this navbar, we are going to place this inside a file, inside a HTML file, and all the subordinates means all the white persons, because the changes will be on white persons. Okay, the neighbor is going to not going to change. Okay, so all the white persons will have different codes. Okay, the persons are going to inherit the red person. Okay, so you can easily get all the things when we will work on this. So basically what it does is we are writing our common code in a file and inheriting that in other files. Okay, like a function, we are writing the repeated what we are going to use many times. So we are writing is it inside a function and we are calling it, or in class we are templating that and we are using that. This is all the concept. Okay, so don't be mess, we will work on it. Okay, so in last class, what we in last series what we have done is, let me open Visual Studio. Okay, we have uh, we have written all our designing file. Okay, but for the about section this much of code is needed. Look at this: start about, end about. Okay, every else are not required, every or else are the similar file for every pages. Okay, so what we can do for this will be a repeated coding. So but we don't want repeated coding. Okay, so what we can do, that we can first caught this. Okay, what we have done, we have caught that. Control X, I have pressed Control X to delete that. Okay, here I can use the ginger logic to define a block. Okay, I will write block content. Okay, this block content, and as Jinja suggest, okay, you can learn about Jinja with the Jinja documentation, or else just remember these things. Okay, and block. Okay, what we are doing over here, that look, we are use the Jinja which is defining a content. Okay, and this content we are going to use in next page. Okay, so first let me just create another template, that's name about. Okay, about dot html. Okay, inside that let me paste the code what we have caught. Okay, we have caught the about section from there, and in that place we have defined a content holder. This is a placeholder, you can think this as a placeholder. Okay, this is a content, this showing that this page can be inherited in other. Okay, so we are going to copy this and add this on the first line. Control V. Look, this is the block content and end block, and this block content is present. We are saying Jinja that look what happening. Okay, about.html, it is a content page. Okay, and inside in index.html this is also block content. So these block contents are going to replaced by this. Okay, clear? Look what happened. This is a content. Okay, this is content, and this is going to replace on here, and if you merge everything, then it will be a page. Fine. So for this, to include that this block content is a part of another page, so how you can use that? We can do that using, sorry my battery is low, we can use that using extends. Okay, we are going to extends. Okay, okay, index.html. Okay, fine. What we are doing, look what we are doing. We are inheriting index.html. Okay, replacing this block with that. Cool. What we are doing, we are inheriting the index.html, we have inherited, and replace these two lines with these lines. Okay, with these lines. Cool. It's a cool. So let me save everything. Okay, and here we are going to call about.html, not index.html. Okay, so look what happened. This mean our route is going to call about.html. About.html is going to inherit the property of index.html. This will inherit all the properties from here, and the changes we have made we will write inside the block. Okay, so let me save everything. I have saved, and let me restart the server for. Okay, control C. I have restarted my server. Let me check inside. Okay, this is my localhost. Refresh. Look, the website is working. Okay, so this is all about template inheriting. Okay, look what happened. These the orange person we have written in index.html page, in the white person we have written in about.html page. Okay, for the further move, when we are editing our experience education skills, we are not going to write the left index.html anymore. We will just inherit index.html, and we will write the code for the white persons. Okay, that's simple. So thank you for listening and stay tuned.